In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges of your Epson XP 6100 printer. Now the first step is to switch on the printer and open the ink cartridge chamber. So the door is here. So place your hand here and open the ink cartridge chamber door. And now go to the ink cartridges. You see the ink cartridges are here. So you have to press these locks. And now you can take the ink cartridges out one by one. And to place the new ink cartridge, take the ink cartridge out of plastic packaging, remove the seal and simply place it here. So match the color and the alphabets, press it down, it will lock itself. Once you install the ink cartridges, close the door by pressing it down. Automatically it will close, and now we are ready to use the printer. Thanks for watching.